many types of toothbrushes these days. There are brushes that are used for children and adults only, and there are also brushes that are used for a specific purpose such as correcting teeth, removing tartar, and for people with weak gums. A toothbrush is something that you use several times a day. Have you ever wondered about the world's first toothbrush? Today, we will look at the history of toothbrushes. It is said that a tool for cleaning teeth was also used in Egypt in 3000 BC. However, it wasn't the current shape of a brush but were fibrous branches chewed or cut into pieces and used in the form of a toothpick. It is said that the brush form of a toothbrush that we use now was used by the Chinese emperor in the 15th century. It was made by weaving twigs or animal hair. The gums would have hurt a lot when they brushed their teeth with stiff animal fur. So this toothbrush is said to have turned into softer horsehair as it moved to Europe. This is Napoleon's toothbrush made with softer horsehair after passing the initial toothbrush shape. It is very luxurious, right? At this time, it is said that instead of toothpaste, they applied salt and brushed their teeth. The handle is slightly inferior to Napoleon's toothbrush, but it's still an expensive toothbrush. Europeans used toothbrushes with horsehair woven into wooden handles. However, toothbrushes made of animal hair did not dry out quickly and became a breeding ground for bacteria. So, they started regularly sterilizing them in boiling water, but after disinfection, the elasticity of the toothbrush hair didn't come back, making it difficult to clean the teeth well. The toothbrush we use now is made of nylon developed by DuPont from the United States in the 1930s. It's cheap and you don't have to worry about bacterial growth. You can see that the perception of dental care had been around for a long time and that the toothbrush was used for dental care despite the high price compared to the old days. Now we can use a lighter and less painful toothbrush at a very affordable price, so don't forget to brush your teeth.